What's up, y'all? It's your boy Crazy Out came with a bike check real quick. Got some Ssquareds popping. 2 fast guys on the track. And they probably didn't know they were going to do a bike check until I just said that. So here we go.
Chris Diaz, 3640 expert. Ssquared CEO, XL. Dagger forge, profile stem. S&M race bars. Profile lead hubs. Alienation rims. We got DXRs, 180. Time pedals. ICC post clamp. TXE seat. DTH, Max DTH tires. And a salsa seat post clamp.
Nice.
These are awesome. Ssquared Point Pleasant base Brooklyn bicycle.
John Salzmann, 36 to 40-year-old expert. Rocking just about the same frame as Chris Diaz, except mine's a little bigger.
A little faster too, right?
I don't know about all that. I don't want to start any rivalries. Although we already have a rivalry, I think. It's unspoken. But
we already got one interview about that, man.
I got the profile lead hubs, NV rims, Shimano DXR cranks, S&M stem, S&M bars, croupy seat posts.
Nice.
Not comfortable enough.
Nice.
Dave Pawson, Johnny Salzmann here. You watching BMX Hood with Al Sugar Cane. Word up.
Chris Diaz, you're watching, what am I doing? BMX Hood on CAC TV. Sugar cane.
There it is. Hey, look.
I like
What you got here?
I like bicycles. I race them sometimes.
We're gonna see that today.
No, I don't know what that's going to be called. It's going to be fun to watch though, because I don't know. I heard it's really long, and I just had a cigarette, so I'm feeling all right. And no, definitely not. Keep it real. Don't do what I do.
Word. It's Crazy Out came reporting live from Chesapeake BMX down here in Maryland. East Coast Nationals. 1.